The more you open your life up for display, the more people find a way to drag you down. That's a natural social phenomenon. But what if you could disappear, not physically, but from all the noise and distraction that holds you back? What if you could transform yourself in the shadows and then reappear stronger than ever? Today, I'm breaking down the real actionable steps to disappear, transform, and become the best version of you. Let's dive in. First things first. To disappear effectively, you need absolute focus and no external validation. Here's how to begin. Stop telling people about your life plans. Not your family, not your coworkers, not your friends. Only share with someone who genuinely supports your success. Loose lips sabotage your path. You must rewire your mind. Most of what we do is influenced by what others will think. But guess what? They don't actually care. You think they do. Make your own opinion the only one that matters. Ambitious plans excite you, but excitement fuels talk. Every time you reveal your plan, you leak energy and lose progress. Guard your goals like they're secret treasure maps. When you start seeing results, don't broadcast them. Improve body, improve skills, improve life. Keep it between you and the work. Don't show off. Let transformation surprise them later. Transformation hurts. Physically, mentally, emotionally. When you hit rock bottom, don't run to others. Push through alone. Scream into the wind if you have to. Now that you're out of the spotlight, it's time to build the new you in silence. Be specific. What do you want to become? Do you want a stronger body? A successful business? A new skill that makes you unrecognizable? Write it down. For your eyes only. Every waking hour should serve your transformation. Plan your days. Block time. Train hard. Study harder. Make every moment intentional. You will face difficulty. It's part of the process. Don't fight discomfort. Embrace it. Let each struggle become fuel for your transformation. If you're serious about change, you have to be willing to disappear first. Live in the shadows, work quietly, and let your results do the talking. If this message hit you, leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more Real Talk motivation.